today we're gonna be playing Hold the Flag right here. Now, so welcome to part 2, and we're gonna be playing Hold the Flag and see what's actually happening in this game, you guys. And also it says, if I go down, hold on. So, alright. So it says, welcome to Hold the Flag. Your goal is to hold the one and only flag more than everybody else for each round. The player with the most seconds wins. Alright, getting tired of this game? Check out some previous games. So you get like the links, that's pretty cool. These are the updates. This was the date when it erased all old highest seconds amounts since it was being abused in some servers. Now there has to be a certain amount of players for that number to update into your status. Like the game, be sure to join Z Games. Also, don't forget to leave a like and a favorite. So, this is the subscription. It sounds pretty good. Here's the badges. If you just like click on that, there's the badges. So you get all of that, and you play Hold the Flag, and as you guys can see, it's the green flag, that's pretty cool. But I think I want to play on the other Roblox because it works. So I'm just gonna go ahead and play on the other Roblox. So it's gonna freaking look. So yeah. So it says starting Roblox, as you guys can see. So if you guys have not played Hold the Flag, well, actually, it's pretty good actually. Because you know how Hold the Flag is. So. Yeah, so anyways, let's go ahead and play Hold the Flag, and let's load into the game. Oh, what just happened? Where's, like, I see Hold the Flag, but, yeah, alright, so let's play Hold the Flag right here, and, so let's play Hold the Flag and see what's actually happening in this game. Alright, I had something in my mouth. Alright. Yo, who's stopping the game? What the heck? Alright. Oh, I got the medikit, you guys. Look. I got the medikit. Look at this, you guys. I got the... Alright. I got the medikit. Let's see what it actually does. Let's see. What is it? Oh, that was cool. Oh, what was that? Oh. Alright. I have to kill these people. Oh my god. Oh my god. God, I've just freaking joined in the game. How you gonna kill somebody? Alright. So yeah, your mama died. What the heck? Alright, so let's see. Freaking chat. What is where is everybody? I was sitting on top of the freaking things. Oh my gosh, did I just freeze again? Yup, I think I just freeze. I keep thinking that this one will work, but it actually didn't work. So I don't know what it is, you guys. Alright, so why do I keep freezing? Oh, okay. Alright. Yo, who is that? Yo, alright. Yo, who got some flag? Oh, no. Hey, stop! No. Oh, yo, I swear, why is she always doing that? Yo, what is that? So I just gotta, alright, I'm about to kill that girl right now. What the heck? Yo, why is everybody up there? You dare me to go up there, you guys? Alright, I'm gonna go up there. Alright. Oh! Alright. She was right about to kill me, you guys. What the heck? Alright, what is this? Is this like the username thing? I don't know, you guys. What the heck? Alright. Yo! Oh! It's the same freaking girl. Oh my gosh. I need my slime. Oh, how is she so strong just to like play this? Like what the heck? Oh, she got her flag. She got the flag. Oh shoot. Oh, this girl's trying to escape. Oh, you gonna play me like that? Okay. Oh, no. Okay, I'm sorry. Just please, cause she's guys. All right, we have to steal that flag from her, you guys. Like, look, she literally. Oh, it's the boy that has the flag now. What the heck? Yo, it's the boy that has the flag. This is so crazy, guys. I don't even know what's actually happening, but yeah. Where is everybody? Everybody disappeared. Oh, okay. Okay, now I see. Alright, so, oh my gosh, there's a freaking girl. I thought everybody left. What the heck? Oh no, that girl's strong. I'm not going. You know what? I got a shot. I gotta get her. You must fight someone playing to the. Wait, what? Oh! Get back! Oh my god. Yo, I'm just here. Oh, that girl was right coming up there. What the heck? Yo, watch your freaking. What? Alright, I'm just gonna stay up here because they act like they can't like. Oh my gosh, how do I get up there? Cause I want to get up there. I was thinking of. Wait, no. Oh, it's a war down there. I don't think I want to go down there because you know what? That girl's so hard just to kill. It's just like crazy, you guys. Like it's so crazy. That like oh gosh. Is there a new who's that? Oh, top 3 winners. Oh, these are the winners. So we got yo. Alright, so who is this? Did this girl just join or something? Alright, I don't even know. Oh. Alright. So, alright. How do I get okay. Alright. Oh, it's a war right there, you guys. Oh! Alright. This one is too hard, you guys. Like, what the heck? Alright. Oh! Whoa! Oh, Bacon, you for real now? Like, for real? Like, come on now. Stop. Alright. Oh, how did that girl got speed? Like, this is so crazy. Alright, we have to try to kill this girl. But I don't care. Yo, what? How? Yo, is they chatting? What are they randomly chatting? Alright. Yeah, you thought you got me, but you couldn't. So you could try. Has the flag like twice. It's even more than twice. Anyways, oh, yo, who is that? Let's go stay. I don't even know what this word. Oh my god. When the girl just came in, this is so crazy, you guys. So this girl has the flag. I need to hurry up and go up. Oh shoot. Oh. Alright. Okay, now you're gonna play me like that. Okay. Oh, there's a new. Alright. So like, what the heck is actually happening, you guys? Like, oh my gosh. Yo, why did you do that? Alright. Oh my gosh. Yo, there's so many people joining right now. Look at this. Yo, and where are the freaking players? I don't see them, but they're joining. Alright, so I'm just trying to like kill these. Oh shoot, she's trying to shot me with the gun. Oh, you're just new to the game. Are you new to the game? Like, do you have some Robux? Okay, I'm just gonna try to go up there and fight. Oh shoot! Oh, shit, the killer. Come on, we have to kill her. Oh shoot! Oh, this guy's strong. Oh. Alright, I need to get the flag, cause they don't, cause they're but anyways, I'm not going near that guy. I ain't going near that guy. Yo, like this guy, he's so crazy, you guys. Like, what the heck? Alright, does it just explode or something? I don't really know. I think you get a medikit every time like you die or something. I don't know. But get the flag. Oh, she gets the flag. she got the flag. Oh! I gotta get the flag. Oh no! I should have got the flag. It was right there. Alright. Wait. So guys, there's like no teams, but like, you don't have no teams. It's not like the underground yet. So anyways, yup. I know this. Yo, is he? Wait. Oh my gosh, there's so many people joining. Oh, guys, did you see that? I was right near that right there. What the heck, you guys? Right. Oh, shoot. Alright. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Oh, shoot. Guys, what do I do? Oh, shoot. I don't know how to get out of this war right now. Because they're trying to kill me. I said stop. No, you always killing somebody. But when you kill somebody, you don't say stop. So he goes, oh, shoot. Alright. Oh my gosh, you guys, what is actually happening? Oh my gosh. Oh, this guy has a gun. You must fight someone playing. You must fight someone playing to get the flag. Alright. Oh, somebody got the flag. We have to fight him. Oh my gosh. Wait, did they make that the blood or something? Like, what the heck? Like, why is the blood blocks? Like, what the heck? Is it supposed to be like that? Yo, this guy right here, this guy is so creepy. Okay, let's go to teammates. Add a teammate. Yeah. We're not gonna medikit. Let's see. Alright. What do I do with this medikit? Okay. Oh, man, he's leaving. Okay, I think really. And why is that girl walking like that? Like, what the heck? Oh, he got the flag. He's trying to hide. Oh shoot. No, stop! No, you're not. Oh, you wanna do like that? Okay. Alright. That's how we gonna roll? Okay. What the heck is actually happening? Alright, well. Okay, I need the medikit again. Yo, why am I getting the medikit again? So the medikit's laying. Oh! Bro, stop! Alright. Yo! You the heck? Yo, slow down. Chill out. Oh, wait. Please? What the heck? Oh, we need to fight that girl. She got the flag. Oh, shoot. Who's killing me? Yo, why'd you kill me? What the heck? Alright, so I need to try to get out of here, you guys. Like, what the heck is actually going on? Like, why is they acting like this? This is so weird. Alright, so, okay. We need to kill somebody that has the flag.